Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to add transparent strike through or change strike through color opacity on your PDF file. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor. Now click on this comment option and here you will find this strike through option. Click here and this right sidebar, here you will find this arrow. Click on this arrow and this properties box now open. Now drag your mouse cursor and select your text area. And here you can change your text strike through color and this color opacity you can make it transparent and see this. Also drag this text, this color, you can make it transparent and so on. And also you can use existing text strike through transparent. Click on this strike through and select. Now you can make it transparent. Red color, this one, and see this. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comments.